Hello, everyone. Thank you for allowing me to present my research result at the International Conference on Economic, Business, Tourism, and Social Science. This time, I will present about when fashion met face mask, celebrity endorsement, product risk awareness, and purchase decision for mask strap necklace. First of all, I will introduce myself first. My name is Cynthia Nagata Kurniawan, usually called Cynthia. I'm 22 years old. I study at Satya Wacana Christian University, and I'm interested in commercial management and marketing communication. And I will explain about the abstract of the study. Mask strap necklaces are quickly becoming popular trend. However, it has been discovered that using a mask strap necklace increases the risk of COVID-19 transmission. The purpose of this paper is to investigate the moderating role of risk awareness in the effect of celebrity endorsement on the purchase of mask strap necklace. And the purpose of this research is testing the influence of celebrity endorser on the purchase decision of strap mask. And the second is testing the effect of consumer knowledge as a moderating variable in strengthening or weakening celebrity endorser with the decision to purchase a mask strap during pandemic. And literature review, the first one is celebrity endorser are individuals who are recognized by public with names and faces such as famous actor or actress, comedian, athletes, musician, and supermodel who have achieved celebrity status. Purchase decision is the attitude of a person to use or buy product in the form of goods or service that are believed to satisfy them and the willingness to bear the risk that may arise. And product risk awareness is disadvantage that have been felt by customer when consuming a product. And hypothesis formulation, the first hypothesis is celebrity endorser have a positive effect on purchasing decision. And second hypothesis, consumer knowledge of the risk of using strap mask moderate the influence of celebrity endorser on purchasing decision. And the research model, celebrity endorser as independent variable, product risk awareness as moderating variable, and purchase decision as dependent variable. And method research, use research approach, quantitative approach, type and source of the data, primary data, questionnaire via Google Form, using purpose sampling with 173 respondents, Likert scale, and SMPLS with Smart PLS software, formative and reflective measurement model, which is purchasing decision and consumer knowledge are measured reflectively, while celebrity endorser are measured formative reflectively because they have a second order construct model. And respondent characteristic in the study were mostly female, namely 64.7%, while male was 35.3%, and the age category is dominated by the respondent age 18 until 24 years old. In the percentage of the time period of using mask strap for respondent for the last 2 years, the maximum is more than 12 months, which is 49.2%, and the level of knowledge of respondent about the risk of using a mask strap is 60.7% of respondents who have high knowledge on the risk of using a mask strap. And this is validity and reliability test results, and the figure, which is reflective and formative model with repeat indicator. And with formative measurement evaluation and celebrity endorser validity test at the table 9, dimension x1, x2, x3, x4 can be proven valid because the outer weight test statistic value are each more than 1.96, and collinearity test the p-value for each dimension x1, x2, x3, x4 less than 5 means that there is no multicollinearity for each dimension. And here is reflective measurement evaluation. Based on the result of the convergent validity test above, the indicator on consumer knowledge Z1, Z2, Z3, Z4, and indicator on purchasing decision Y1, Y2, Y4, Y5, Y6 show the value of overloading more than 0.7, so it can be said to be valid, while the test result on the Y3 indicator are invalid because the overloading value is less than 0.7, so that the indicator is omitted from the model. And here is Corner and Likert test. Corner and Likert criteria have a requirement that the square root of the FA value of each contract must be higher than the correlation value between latent variable. Table 12 shows that the root value of the construct Y is 0.748 and Z is 0.889 based on the test result. The Corner and Likert discriminant validity test can be said to be valid because the result of Z and y square are higher than the correlation between other latent variable. And based on the results of table 13 HTMT criterion, construct Z and Y show the HTMT less than 0.9. This result indicate the discriminant validity test to be valid. And here is structural modeling image. And structural modeling evaluation, the result of hypothesis testing are based on the output path coefficient based on the result of structural testing or the inner model in table 14. First, hypothesis 1 is accepted because the relationship between celebrity endorser and purchasing decision has a p-value of 0 less than 0.05 and a t-statistic of 9.547 more than 1.96. And second, the relationship between celebrity endorser on purchasing decision with consumer knowledge of risk as a moderating variable has a p-value of 0.002 less than 0.05 and a t-statistic of 3.072 less than 1.796. Therefore, it can be concluded that second hypothesis is accepted. And structural model evaluation R square, F square, and T square based on table 15 show that the influence of celebrity endorser and consumer knowledge of the risk of strap mass product on purchasing decision is 41.3% based on the results of the F square test at the table 16. The celebrity endorser construct on purchasing decision has a large F size with an F square value of 0.566, while the relationship between celebrity endorser and purchasing decision moderate by consumer knowledge is included in the small category because it has an F square value of 0.126 based on the results of the chi-square value in table 11. It can be said that this study has a good observation value because the value of chi more than is 0.207. And finally, the conclusion of the study, the results of the study is celebrity endorser has a significant positive effect on the purchase decision of strap marks, and the second, consumer knowledge of the risk using strap marks moderate and strengthen the relationship between celebrity endorser and purchasing decision of strap marks, and limit research, namely the distribution of questionnaire that is widespread to various groups, because the respondent of this research mostly students, so that the result obtained are limited from the point of view of student, and the suggestion in the future can improve and clarify the empirical indicator of the celebrity endorser variable, and the author can expand the category of respondent in the category of age and profession and income. And that's all my presentation. Thank you for your attention and opportunity at the International Conference on Economic Business, Tourism, and Social Science. Sorry if there are words that are less pleasing to hear, and have a nice day, everyone. Thank you.